Get out of here! Oh! Venus! Sound like it!
Bumblebee! This must be the
Yikes! I took her off the view of the bumblebee! Right.
I know what to do. We can have rockets with flower. Let's do the wiggle dance. Wiggle with me. Wiggle your butt back and forth to the music. Like this. That's great! Rocket is wiggling too! But the bumblebee is getting closer! We need to keep wiggling! Wiggle! Yahoo! It worked! We are free! Nice wiggling! Can get his calling. So long, Bumblebee! I hear the missing piece. We must be getting closer to the playground.
That's gonna look at the future. Look for yourself.
The missing piece must be found. Must be found. Grass in our way. So
You wanna go?
where we're going? How will we find the playground? Rocket, stop! There's something in our way, but we're too little to see it. Can you guess what it is? You're right.
It's the ant.
There are lots of ants, but they're bigger than all the others.
It's the cool ant.
Maybe the queen can help us find the playground. God,
God, she's great.
queen.
Be aside.
Queen ant, we're trying to get to the playground so we can find our missing piece. It sounds like this. Da 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 da. She's singing the missing piece song. She must know where it is. The queen ant knows a shortcut to the playground. She wants us to follow her. Come on! Whoa! We're going down. Sure is dark inside this anthill. How will we follow the queen ant through all of these dark, winding tunnels? We'll have to play follow the leader.
Leader.
Will you play
We can follow the leader. What is the queen ant?
so we can get through the tunnel?
Tunnel.
Great!
Nice work.
Follow the queen ant. When we hear the queen ant sing, we have to sing the same thing she does. Sing! Sing! Hooray! Made it to the tunnel. That means we're at the playground. Thank you, Queen Ant. Do you?
Dude, that's how you got the missing piece.
Yes. It's on the slide. Rocket.
Put me on through the crap nap. Hey! This isn't I don't know what you do! Hurry up, you dudes! Right, we are gonna do something easy! I don't know tonight 这个该吃啊，这个feel this morning keep me up 有一个 challenge 这个 please always yourself always you
We're going to need a lot of power to blast off.
Oh no! This time! Good! We need to power! I want to go circle this! Sweet, happy the wire, should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! You gave Rocket so much power! Leo, you better hurry! I don't know how long Rocket can carry the missing piece. Hang on, Rocket! Hang on! Come on! We know how to get home fast. We just have to go back the way we came. First, we have to play follow the leader with the Queen Ant so we can get through that tunnel. Sing! Thanks, Queen Ant.
Oh, there's the bumblebee! Sticky sunflower. Here comes the bee.
Wiggle with me. Wiggle harder. A little harder than that. Wait to wiggle. Look, I can see the road.
This is what what no! Oh no! What the heck? Oh no! What the? This is
And those
the gears are away.
wet. This is Cuckoo. Come on.
Come on! Look again! Cheat, chop, 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 cheat. Cuckoo clock is out. We are the world. Believe in that. Choose the tree and leave on us. We're back home. This is like a big smaller tree attached to the other gear. They got a sound spit again.
Hooray! It's fixed. We did it. We're not turning big. The notes
Oh, we're going with fire to stay always with you. Let me stand. Oh, let's try it again. Let's try it again. TikTok. No, let's try it again. What do the vacation us?
Are we
Understood, Will?
No, we're big! Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! The missing piece has been found. We got it from the playground. The playground.
We have this. To make an order to that you say, mission accomplished. Respect me. If we want, should eat.
Let's clap for our team.
Let's.
Let's clap for Annie, Quincy, Jude,
It's you.
Rocket.
Graveyard. It's you. Right after the garbage sale.
I'm Vincent Van Gogh. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
What's going on here?
Music we heard today.
Screw you! Buy a turn to be chilly! Another one! Acidity!
You helped a lot today.
Hey, give me a sip!
Go on.
You need to try this!
For you.
See you later! Gast!
And now we're big again.
Christmas! You said it's tomorrow. Well, that's Christmas! You said it's tomorrow.